Are you tired of emails from Salesforce showing weird symbols or garbled text? Fix it in under 2 minutes with this simple setting change. I'll walk you through the exact steps to change your email encoding. Just follow along in your Salesforce account. Start by clicking your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, click on Language and Time Zone. Scroll down until you see the Email Encoding option. Go ahead and change the encoding to your desired option. Finally, click Save to apply the change. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.